To convert Yahoo emails to PST, install SysInfo Yahoo Backup Tool.
Welcome to SysInfo. First, click IMAP Migration to select your source. Now, on the login screen, enter your complete email address and then enter your application-specific password. Next, click on the IMAP server dropdown. In the search bar, type the name of your email provider, such as Yahoo, and select Yahoo Mail from the list. Now, click on Test Connection to verify your credentials. Once the connection is successfully verified, click Continue. Now select Mailbox Tree and Folder. The software will now fetch your mailbox structure. Expand your account to view the folders and select the folders you want to migrate. For example, here we're selecting the inbox. You can click on Fetch Count to check the exact number of items in the selected folder. Once the count has been verified, click on the Continue to Filter button at the bottom right. Select Destination Format and Filter Settings. Select the File Formats tab. Open the drop-down menu and choose PST. Here, you will find several options to customize your migration. You can enable the date range filter, apply advanced email filters based on specific senders or subjects, and set criteria to skip duplicate or previously migrated emails. If you want to clean up your server storage, you can choose the appropriate cleanup option. You can also select the destination folder, configure how attachments are handled, and split the PST file based on your preferred file size. Skip Previously Migrated. Enable this toggle to prevent duplicate data transfer by skipping Exclude Empty Folder. Prevents the creation of empty folders during export. Fetch Emails. Without attachments, select this to process only emails that do not review and customize these settings according to your requirements. Once everything is configured, click the Next button in the bottom right corner. If you're using the trial version, a restriction pop-up may appear. Simply click Continue. Anyway, to proceed. Execution and completion. The software will now start the migration process. You can monitor the active progress bar and live statistics on your screen.